Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Wolf channel. Wetin dey sup? How una dey? Wetin dey happen, my people? Make I knack shekere for una. Make I give una small shekere. Hey! See, let me tell you guys something. Today's video, it is very different. It is one of those videos where when you finish making it, you go be like, oh boy, this one I yarn. Today, I want to teach you how you can make money speaking Pidgin English. Una when they look Pidgin, say, oh, Pidgin no get level. Una no rate Pidgin, say for you to make money must they speak English, they speak Queen's English, King's English, they speak like Queen Eliza. Fuck that thing. Did I just say fuck that thing? Anyway, forget that thing. So as I was saying, today's video is how to make money speaking Pidgin English. If you sabi yarn Pidgin, your worry strong, your Pidgin get well, like it tarapa, wear gele, everywhere is soft, kakaraka. See, there is a way you can make money speaking Pidgin English. I will show you step by step. All you need to do, watch this video from the beginning to the end, do everything I say you should do, and you start making money in dollars speaking Pidgin English. When I think it's a joke, I'm serious now. I'm gonna go to my computer screen, make a show now, see they go now. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, subscribe to my channel. 100,000, that is the goal, you understand? But make a first show now how this thing dey happen. Pidgin English, make money from it step by step, and you can begin to cash out in dollars, dollar per. Okay, so before I go straight to the show now, the website and how una fit set up una account, start to make money speaking Pidgin English, because people are actually making money. People they make up to like $9,000, $5,000, $10,000 speaking Pidgin. I know they lie. This is totally true. The problem is a lot of people do not believe these things because they think it is not possible or they are not informed enough. Even the Bible says, "My people perish for lack of knowledge." So what I come to do on this channel is to give you knowledge. Now, something that is very important to take note of is that knowledge without action is dead. So it is important for you to do what I say, put in the work, and begin to see the result. Before then, a lot of people don't know that God has given them a wonderful and amazing talent. So because of that, they commonize the things they can do. You speak Pidgin so well, people they tell you, so well, you funny die, your Pidgin go well, you know, sabi flow, those kind of thing. They think say na just normal, anybody fit do, everybody fit do. And forget them. A lot of people they pay money for people who sabi speak Pidgin English. I don't work as Pidgin presenter, you know, I don't even work as audio producer for radio stations, so I know what they talk about here. A lot of platform where they work as audio producers, if we want to do some kind of recording, and if we say maybe the people where they around no get the kind of voice where we want, we they go this place, go pick talent, like people we just pick normal person for streets, carry the person voice, pay our money, use and do it we want to do. So let me show you guys all these things. I will show you 3 websites. Now the first website, the second one and the third one, they're very important. You see, but that third website will be say I will show now for this place. That one anybody and everybody fit start. If you even turn up to side also. The first one they kind of a little bit professional and all, but that one don't mean say you know fit join the website. The second one they okay, but you know they too competitive. You know, if they a little bit difficult to get gigs there, but people they make money there, I will show you. Then the third one, a lot of people they there. Normal people like me and you. People will be say they don't even get any special training or anything. They make money for those websites. Make a show now, see they go. First, the first website, now this particular website, Vocuent.com. Vocuent.com now platform maybe say they hire Pidgin English voiceover actors. Now people where they speak Pidgin, they use and they do record, where they use do radio drama, use and do jingles, use and do advertisement and stuff like that. They call them the voiceover actors. They call them voice actors, right? Some people call them voiceover actors. What this platform does is they hire Pidgin English voiceover actors that they say hire professional Pidgin English voiceover actors speaking for any project. Professional simply means you are trained, and the funny thing is that when it comes to training, a lot of you can actually train yourself. How do you train yourself? You just train yourself on breath control, how to speak slowly and give your talk mood, and these are things you can actually just watch 1 or 2 videos on YouTube to learn and begin to rehearse. You practice it consistently, they do them before you know you don't turn professional. See, the beautiful thing about this platform is that anybody can create an account on this platform, and all these people that are doing these things, they don't get talent person. I will just play all this demo here. If you listen to this demo, I know you a voice, you can actually do something. You don't necessarily need to sound like them. Some of them they don't already do 1 or 2 audio production, do some editing, come out breath and some fillers. Now you make the voice they sound so sweet. If you feel say your voice they okay, if producer touch am, you go where see this person and Lagos, Nigeria, this girl dey make a play a demo mona here.
Million men and women we don't discover the true secret of how food dey sweet. Spice Supreme, the #1 spice for every food matter.
See the demo, very short, very simple, very sweet. You understand? If you know say if you do this kind of thing, then let's go see the second person demo.
My guy, for say you for see me that day, you for pity me scatter. No better food to chop, no better beverage where I for use cool my temper. Maybe say I don't stand down under hot sun.
Yeah, my guy, to say you for see me that day, for pity me, no better food to chop, no better beverage to take cool my temper. Now waiting this guy talk with this, forget the old music sound wait there for the background and everything. This one just make the package go. This guy na Naija boy wey dey Abuja. This one another person, like this girl style na conversational, this one na playful, this one na authoritative, so him go wan put small action for him voice. Yeah,
cool aunty, cough we don reach 2 weeks or we don pass 2 weeks, they deadly o. E fit be tuberculosis, so oya comot go do free test for any designated tuberculosis center.
So now this guy voice business, I know if they go they play everybody voice. Now if you click on more voices, you go see more talent. All you need to do for this platform is for you to just create your account, you understand? And anybody, if you create their account, record demo, just few seconds demo. Once you record the demo, you upload them for the platform, everywhere go well. See, I'm not even supposed to talk this one, but if maybe if you say they're good enough and if you say your demo no go they okay, if you record your voice, if you send me message, I feel happy do some little 1 or 2 audio production, touch them here and there, but I don't go do that one for free though. You know they compulsory, I don't really need them. But if you feel say now that thing will make your audio go well, then I feel help you because I do audio productions too. But more leave that side, no wait till they talk about it. I want show now the places so if you make money online speaking pidgin English. So this platform Vocuent.com now what leading online voice over casting and recording platform, right? So what they do is they create a platform where people that are looking for talent can come and search for talent easily. Look at it, they say we help brands, content creator, entertainment companies quickly source authentic voices in any language or accent of their choice. When they get them, and all you need to do is for you to just come and create your account. If you come to this website, if you scroll down, you will just see sign up as a voiceover actor. This is it. Just scroll down. When you come and see the sign up, you click on it on Vocuent.com. You just click here. It is going to take you to the sign up page. On that sign up page, you put in all your information, you put in your demo. So look at it. Say sign up here, voiceover actor registration. Look at the step by step, your account details, about you, your contact details, your voiceover acting, studio recording, your rate, the amount you go to charge, and you charge in dollars. Then you finish. Are you ready to get aired by the world's most prestigious casting directors for free? So it doesn't take you anything to actually just create your account. You don't know how good you are until you give it a shot. So you just put your email address here, you put your password, you confirm your password. Then the next, you fill the about you section. If I decide to fill all this stuff here, or more time go and I no go want they make video too long, because I noticed that a lot of people don't like anything that will stress them and they begin to watch video from beginning to end. So you can just come in here, set up and create your account. Once you create your account, you can begin to start getting gigs, right? You will submit a demo like I told you guys early, right? You just submit your audio demo so people can search for talent anywhere in the world. All you need to do is you just come search for the person you want, the gender, male or female, the language they are speaking, English, that kind of thing. Then you go just give the person job. If you click here and see more voices, you're going to see more talents that are on this platform. The first platform, like I said, is Vocuent.com. Do this platform pay? Yes. Can you break into this platform? Yes. Is it easy? It is not difficult. All you need is to just drop your voice demo, and before you know, you can see yourself making money doing this. Now the next platform is a very popular platform for freelancers. If you are a freelancer, most likely you go down here of this platform. The name of this platform is called Upwork. Upwork.com. Upwork.com. So if you go to Upwork.com and you search for Pidgin English voiceover, you go see people like, look at this man now. Now this man is ranking number 1 for Pidgin English voiceover based on search. If I do advanced search, I will see more people, but this man is Mr. Abimbola. Abimbola is a African voiceover talent, Nigerian voiceover artist, and he says, look at it, I am Abimbola, a full-time trained and highly experienced professional voiceover from Lagos. I voiceover English, Yoruba and Pidgin professionally. I do equally translate and write scripts too. with my unique voice and 12 years. All this one are stories. It doesn't mean that you cannot join. You can actually join the platform and write, my name is so, a fully trained professional voiceover artist from Nigeria. I can speak Pidgin professionally and blah 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 blah. If this man is charging $35, if you put your own for $10 or $15 per hour, if you put $10 per hour, that means you are making 7k, 75 thereabout per hour. So if you put $15, you are making up to like over 10k per hour. So imagine say you just come put your own, then you begin to start making money. And this man has made $6,000 speaking Pidgin English. $6,000. 6,000. The same Pidgin way me and they speak since they record this video. Somebody don't make $6,000 speaking Pidgin English. And there are a lot of people. If I come here and I say maybe Pidgin English, just search. Let me change the search now to probably speak Pidgin English. Right, you will see other Nigerians that are on this platform. It's because the guy is ranking number 1. That is why. Look at this lady, Pidgin English Hausa Yoruba translator. This lady is ranking number 1. $9,000. She has made $9,000. $9,000 speaking Pidgin English. Then you tell me there is no money online. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Prince is also Pidgin English Igbo language. Look at this lady. This guy to John, $6,000. This guy has made $3,000 doing Pidgin English job. This lady has made $900 plus. Joy as a writer. So the point is, there are a lot of people. Look at them, Nigerians doing Pidgin English. This person has this person is a Nigerian doing Pidgin English, and this person has made $10,000 Pidgin English. So the point is, there are a lot of people making money on Upwork. Is it easy to create account on this platform? Yes, I even have a Upwork account when I used to do freelancing. Right now, if you come here, you come to Upwork, you just click on sign up. Look at it, this place, sign up. You click on sign up, create an account. You will join in. Do not join as a client, join as a freelancer. You click here. When you click on join as a freelancer, you click on apply as a freelancer. You put in your information. I will not be able to create an Upwork account now because I already have one. You understand? If you have Google, you can just click on connect with Google, or you can put in your email address. If you don't have a Gmail, but I'm sure everybody have a Gmail will just make you easily create an Upwork account fast. The reason I don't want to create account is you cannot create 2 Upwork accounts. If not, they will ban you. So because of that, I will not create. But here you put your first name, you put your surname, you put your email address, put your password, you put your country, Nigeria. Don't lie about your information, and you click on create account. Once you click on create account, it's going to take you to the next place. Then you begin to now do the setup of the kind of gigs you want to do. What do you want to do? You write it there, Pidgin English voiceover and transcriber, that kind of thing. You write it there, and that is what you put there. You fill in your information. You can go on to check other people on the platform, the way they fill in their information, fill your own like that, and before you know, you start sourcing for gigs. People are making $9,000 speaking Pidgin English, and you're there wasting Pidgin English, using it to gossip. Hey, whoa, I don't go talk anyhow. But the thing is, the thing you're using to gossip, you can actually use it to make money online. That's what I'm trying to say, man. So the last but not the least platform is the one that is very, very easy to start, because that one, clients full ground. You will see a lot of Nigerians, even students, a lot of people making money speaking Pidgin English. It is the number 1 freelancing platform in the world, right? It's called Fiverr.com. Fiverr, Fiverr.com. Now, if I come to Fiverr.com and I search for Pidgin English voiceover, I click on the search button, you're going to see a lot of people doing Pidgin English voiceover. Look at result for Pidgin English voiceover. This is my Fiverr profile. That is why you can see my picture here, right? If you come here, you should scroll down. You're going to see, for those of you that don't know where Fiverr is, let me just open Fiverr so that you can actually see Fiverr by yourself. You can go on Google search. Go on Google search, just search for Fiverr or Fiverr.com. Let me just use from Google search. If you search on Fiverr, you're going to see this Fiverr, this one. Just open it, open this Fiverr.com, right? And that is where you are going to create your account, right? Fiverr.com is the biggest freelancing platform in the world. So look at this, Pidgin English. This lady says, I will record your voiceover in Nigerian Pidgin. I will record your voiceover in Nigerian Pidgin. And that is what she's advertising on Fiverr.com. Right, and the beautiful thing is that she is making crazy amount of money doing this stuff. Do not doubt me, I know what I'm telling you. Look at this, she charges $25 and she's getting gigs. $25, and look at that, she has gotten 10 gigs for $25. That means she has made $250 just doing Pidgin, right? Look at this person. This person says, I will do Nigerian, English, Pidgin, Yoruba voiceover for $15 and has gotten 25 jobs. This person has gotten 25 jobs doing Pidgin voiceover. If you scroll down, you're going to see this person. He says that we do a Nigerian, Pidgin or African voiceover, and this guy is charging $5. This lady is recording. He said, I will record a catchy Nigerian, English, Yoruba, Pidgin voice, Yoruba and Pidgin voiceovers for you, and she's charging $15. She has gotten 26 gigs. 15 times 26, calculate the money. This is dollars. Now this guy is here. He said I will record a superb voiceover in African, Nigerian, Pidgin English. She has gotten 2 gigs already. And the funny thing is that a lot of people can easily set up account on Fiverr. Look at people creating account on Fiverr. You can do this thing. This is just a way of you making side money. A way of you making side money without stress, right? Look at this lady. He said I will record a pro exciting female African Nigeria voiceover, and she has gotten 39 gigs. She's charging $5. So look at you. What is stopping you from actually making money? This lady says I will record a Nigerian, English, Yoruba or Pidgin voiceover. She's charging $15 and she has gotten 14 gigs. A lot of people are making money. So to create account of Fiverr is not a big deal. You can easily just create your account and start getting jobs. Look at everybody here from the beginning to the end are getting gigs, either 5 gigs, 4 gigs, 10 gigs, and it will continue to increase. That is how this thing works. To set up an account of Fiverr is not difficult, right? To set up your account of Fiverr, maybe I would do, if you guys want me to do a video on how you can set up a Fiverr account and rank it and all those kind of stuff, the SEO, so that I can be showing on the first page, because this is not the only page. There are other pages on Fiverr where people are doing this. Look at page 2. For you to be on page 1, you can leave a comment and let me know. I can go on to make that kind of video for you guys. But you see this platform I've mentioned, Vocuent.com, number 1, number 2 Upwork.com, and number 3 Fiverr.com. These platforms are platforms that you can make money speaking Pidgin English. This is not rocket science. People are doing this. It's not like I'm coming here to tell you fairy tale, right? I have worked in the audio system. I've worked as a radio presenter, I've worked as a producer. I don't want to mention the name of the organization. I don't know if I've mentioned it in the past, but the point is we go on this platform to pay people to do some voiceovers for us. So I know what I'm telling you 100%. All you need to do is to develop that talent that God has given you and begin to make money off the talent. If you want to create an account of Fiverr.com, I may have to sign off from my Fiverr account. Let me log out here, because some people might not really know how to create their Fiverr account. So let me just show you guys that part of this video. But I'm not going to be creating new account, because you see on freelancing platform you cannot afford to have 2 different accounts. So when you come to Fiverr.com, this is how Fiverr is going to look like. Link to Upwork, I'm going to put a link to Upwork in my bio. To link to Fiverr, I'm going to put a link to create your Fiverr account in my bio. Even Vocuent, I'm going to put the link to Vocuent in my bio. So when you come to Fiverr, you're going to see something like join Fiverr.com. You can either sign up with your Facebook, your Google, or you can just put in your email address and sign up. Like me, I already signed up with my Google. So when you come to Fiverr.com, just use anyone, Facebook, Google or Apple, to sign up. When you create your account, then you go on to start filling the order information and the order details. I will not be able to do that here because I already have an account and I don't want my account to be banned. So the point is, you can actually make money speaking Pidgin. If you find this video helpful, you enjoy this content, you like content like this, please make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share my video, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content like this, you will be among the first to see it. I love you guys and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. See you later. Alpha Wolf signing out.